हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ बिथिका। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं आई हूँ दिल्ली और आज मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रही हूँ दिल्ली का रेड फोर्ट। इट हैज़ वन ऑफ बिन माय बकेट लिस्ट फॉर सो लॉन्ग। और जब मैं दिल्ली आई मुझे लगा कि ये तो सबसे पहले मुझे एक्सप्लोर करना ही चाहिए। सो लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर दिस रेड फोर्ट टुगेदर एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट एंड यू गाइज स्टे till the end to explore the entire Red Fort. Just ride with me. So a small little information before entering into Red Fort is that you have to come to the gate number 2 where is the ticket counter available. And for ticket counter there are two types of ticket. There is cashless and there is cash tickets. For cashless ticket you can actually scan and fill all the information and pay and generate your ticket online. Cashless, if you pay you have to pay 56 rupees for fort and for museum, and if you pay cash you have to pay 80 rupees. There are other tickets also available just for surroundings. I think it's 35 rupees. So when you book the tickets from gate number 2, then you have to walk along again to gate number 1 from where the entrance is. Let's get inside this Red Fort. You can see the outside behind me. Entering the Red Fort, I just found it out that there's like lots of shops available here that you can shop souvenirs and a lot of fashion stuff. But yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm quite intimidated to shop something from here because ladies are not shopping even if I'm in Red Fort. But yeah, let's explore, let's shop, let's get the vibe of this place and let's do it. So guys, we are getting into the Diwane Aam Diwane Khas from this gate, and it's almost 11 AM right now and totally full of tourists. I'm one of them now, getting inside the Red Fort's main area. So my exploration to the Red Fort have been an amazing experience. I'm standing right in front of Diwani Khas actually, and this is such a mesmerizing place for me. It's so amazing. The architectural work, it's a work of superior artist, I can say. So yes, first it was Diwani Arm, which was red in color, and now this is Diwani Khas, which is white in color. So many, precious marbles and stones work all over this place. So my experience with Red Fort have been an extraordinary journey. I am just loving it too much, and I really want to come back again. So yes, if you guys are also enjoying this video, make sure to like it, subscribe this channel, and yes, enjoy this entire video and enjoy the experience of Red Fort at Delhi. So right behind me is the Moti Mosque, which was actually built by Aurangzeb for his own personal use. The information is actually provided here in the stone, and what I can read from here is the Moti Masjid, or it also called the Pearl Masjid, was built by Aurangzeb for his personal use. It would take him just a short walk from his bed chamber to reach the sacred place of worship at various times of the day. So the mosque was also used by ladies of the harem who entered through a passage in the northern wall of the enclosure. So yeah, quite a bit information about this Moti mosque, also called the Pearl Mosque, because it's entirely white. I believe that's why the name was given Moti Mosque. Inside the Red Fort is such a big area. मेरे पे पैर दुख रहे हैं चल चल के, लेकिन I'm still with so much of energy to cover the entire inside area of Red Fort. And right now I'm deciding to go inside the museum because I have my tickets for the museum as well.